Cracking your knuckles every day for decades won't give you arthritis. Here's what 6 decades of self-experimenting proved. A doctor cracked only his left hand's knuckles over 36,000 times across 60 years and never his right. Neither hand got arthritis. He published the result in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism in 1998 and later won an Ig Nobel Prize in 2009. Larger reviews back him up. No clear link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The popping sound is just a gas bubble collapsing in the joint fluid. But honesty matters. One older study linked habitual cracking to hand swelling and weaker grip. Not arthritis, but still worth noticing. Which fact surprised you most? Drop it in the comments and follow for more myths busted.